This is my Xiaomi Mi Band 3. You can see it saying to pair the device first before using it. These things are pretty easy to set up. You just go into your iPhone. I'm using iPhone for this. Go into your app store and search for probably Xiaomi. And so you'll find one that says Mi Fit. Get that. So it's a double click to install. When you do that, okie dokie, I'm ready to go. Opens to here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put don't allow. I don't need notifications. So they want you to put in the account information. I'm gonna create an account. In the United States, California. Now I can put in my email address and password and no. So I clicked on sign up. And it takes you to this screen. I'm just say okay. Okay. I'm going to just click done, but anyways, put in your information over here and click done on the very bottom. I don't like putting my real birth date. Or any of this other personal information. Again, I wouldn't suggest putting any private information you don't feel comfortable putting onto here. Just click done at this screen, and I'm pretty sure it's the first option I want to do. It says select to pair. Click on band. It says after you pair the device, agree. There's my band. It says it's searching. And just like that, this tap band to pair. It says tap the button over here. So I guess I had to tap up here. And there is pairing. It's update firmware, and then I'll say allow once. Now it's just updating the firmware, and that's it. I think I'm probably 80% done setting this up. And so that's how you can do the first setup of your Mi Band 3. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Because this Mi Band, I don't think it has an instruction booklet on how to set it up. They just probably tell you to go to the app. So that's all I'm gonna say. So still waiting for it to get set up, but you get the gist. Hopefully afterwards it's just as easy setting up everything.